What's up, guys? Welcome back to Rad JBI. I'm JB. I'm just getting done packaging up one of our JBI Spec KYB shock DIY kits. This one's for a 2026 Triumph TF250E. This is their Enduro model. For this shock here, there's a couple items that we include. One of those is going to be our JBI Spec titanium compression adjuster piston. This comes pre-shimmed already, so it has all the shims on it that you would need. It has our JBI style spring pusher plate that helps with the high speed adjustment on the shock. Makes it more effective than the stock one. We feel like the KYB style spring plate or high speed plate isn't nearly as effective as other styles and has to do with where the plate assists or pushes on the shims here. So again, this comes pre-built, so it's very easy for you to pull it out, install ours. And then also with it, we're going to include a O-ring, seal, and a nut. So we can rebuild the shock absorber while you're doing it as well. And then of course we have matching JBI Spec compression and rebound shims. These are going to the main piston. Now, all these kits are custom built by us at Rad JBI. So depending upon the information that you give us, meaning the type of rider you are, where you ride at, we're going to go ahead and look at a baseline setting. So in this case, this rider selected off-road desert, so he does off-road riding. And then with the information he gave to us, meaning his ability and where he's located. So the reason I bring up location is, depending on your location, your terrain is going to vary. So based on your, again, ability, riding style, and location, I'm going to go ahead and pull up our baseline off-road setting that we have already developed, and I'm going to customize that specific to this rider. Sometimes we customize the setting a lot, sometimes it's just a small amount. We do it based upon, again, the information you give us, and that way we can make sure that this setting is matched specifically to you. So everything that I talked about here you can find on radjbi.com.